Our quarantine lockdown continues. It's day 5,923, I'm sure. And I've been thinking about happier times. In December 1991, the Soviet Union fell and we were told that history was over. I was pleased. And a bartender a few months later invented a drink called the Jasmine, which became an instant classic. American Paul Harrington invented this beverage, which is shaken for you heathens and served up in chilled martini glasses. So just the ice in the martini glasses to chill. I shall set those aside. The water just helps conduct the coolth. In your shaker, add some decent pieces of ice. I was introduced to this particular drink in a poker game, and it changed my world. You add 1/4 of a shot of Campari to your ice without spilling it. Add to that 1/4 of a shot of very good orange liqueur, triple sec. In this household, our first pour for an orange liqueur is Cointreau. You could, in fact, use Grand Marnier if you wanted something a little different. One and a half of gin. Those of you who have been observing noticed that, in fact, I always pour doubles, because I got to get through somehow. Dry gin is preferred. To make your life a little bit easier, take your twist off the lemon before peeling it. And then just add the juice of half a lemon. Don't worry if the seeds get in. You're going to strain this after you have shaken it. That's good enough for government work. Now, you shake the drink awake until everything is ice cold. We also, I'm excited. It's very important to spill your ice water everywhere. Strain into your ice-cold martini glasses. Insert 1 × 1 lemon twisters garnish. And enjoy the revelation that is the Jasmine.